In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your financial year-end on Xero. Navigating the closing of a financial year can be quite the task for any business, and ensuring your accounting software is up to date is crucial for a seamless transition. Today, let's walk through how to update your financial year-end date in Xero, a leading online accounting software. Firstly, head over to Xero's website. It's where all the magic begins. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard, a central hub where you can manage and oversee your financial activities. From there, make your way to the Accounting tab. This section of Xero is essentially the backbone of your financial management, providing you with access to various financial features and settings tailored to help you manage your business effortlessly. Within the Accounting section, you'll want to click on the Advanced option. This takes you deeper into the more intricate settings of your account, allowing you to fine-tune your financial processes and ensure everything is set up just how you need it. Whether you're a small business owner or part of a larger team, the Advanced section is designed to give you the flexibility to manage your finances with precision. Next up, select Financial Settings. Here you can make fundamental changes to how your financial data is structured, including the all-important fiscal year-end date. Adjusting the financial year-end is a pivotal step for businesses whose fiscal year doesn't align with the calendar year. It's important as it affects how financial reports are generated and how tax liabilities are calculated. Setting it correctly ensures that your financial documents reflect the appropriate periods and comply with your reporting requirements. Now, once you've decided on the new date for your financial year-end based on your business's reporting cycle, don't forget the crucial step. Click on Save. Clicking Save updates your account with all the changes you've made, ensuring they're accurately implemented. And just like that, you've successfully updated your financial year-end in Xero. While it's a simple process, it carries significant impact on your business's financial reporting and compliance. Today's tutorial aimed to demystify the process of changing your financial year-end date on Xero. By following these straightforward steps, you're not only ensuring compliance with financial reporting standards, but also tailoring the software to best fit the unique needs of your business. Remember, managing your business finances efficiently is key to your success. Tools like Xero empower you to have hands-on control over your financial data, giving you the insights you need to make informed business decisions. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful guides on making the most out of your accounting software and streamlining your business processes.